Hi everybody, sorry I couldn't be there. I wanted to give you a couple of things to help you understand with perspective some concepts, some teamwork concepts that High Point wants to integrate, and as staff members and employees that you all have a much better perspective on what that looks like. So we're just going to talk about teamwork and for High Point what that looks like. So I like to use the notion of rowing on a boat. So if we're all rowing together and doing our part, then the boat will run smoothly. Everybody's on the same page, moving in the same direction, and in order to do that, understanding our purpose and our values will allow everybody to be on the same page. So understanding the importance of teamwork allows us to really have a deeper level understanding of our shared values and our vision that High Point has created. So it's important to know what those visions and values are so you can know and better understand if you align, and if you do align, how you can contribute. So having a deeper understanding includes understanding the shared purpose, which is the why, understanding the shared values, which are the details, and then also understanding the vision, which is the how. So High Point's been dedicated to quality products with an affordable price tag and built on reputation and service. That's our why. That's something that's High Point's aligned with in all the years it's been in business. The shared values, these are the details. These are the expectations, and the expectations that we see through the actions of all employees at any level. And then the vision, that comes together when the values are expressed and ultimately through action. We can better see the vision in the way that we work, how we work together, how we work with others. Part of understanding the vision and values is empowerment, giving every staff member empowerment at the level that they feel comfortable. So Libto explains that empowerment opens a vast horizon by releasing the unbelievably untapped energies and hidden potentials of individuals. So when you're empowered, you have a much better confidence level in your skill set. And part of that empowerment includes taking part. So surveys, emails, and feedback, any of that information that your leader happens to send out to you, make sure that you participate. And also generating conversations with others to better understand the shared purpose and values. It's important to take part in that process with your team members so you understand if you're in line and can get clarification at any level if you are not. Stewardship is part of that process. So what a steward is somebody who really understands the purpose and the vision, and they can identify any gaps that need to be filled. It's not something that is expected of everybody. It's not expected of every job requirement either, but it really provides insight. And part of that is when team members are trying to maintain the alignment. And I look at it as people who are taking care of the boat that I mentioned earlier. Everybody's on the boat rowing in the same direction, but who's taking care of the boat, making sure that it is in good shape. High Point stewards help maintain alignment with values in their work, effort, and contributions. And so not everybody's a steward, and that's okay, but if you recognize somebody that isn't aligned with the values or vision, you want to make sure that you step in and try to figure out why and what can be done to fix that issue. All right, so be sure that you have a good understanding. Your colleagues, your leaders should all be able to help you. There should be a place to go for resources and support when needed.